Welcome back! In this video, you will learn reflexive pronouns and by oneself idiom. As you see on the board, reflexive pronouns are myself, kendim, yourself, kendin, himself, herself, itself, kendi, ourselves, kendimiz, yourselves, kendiniz, themselves, kendileri. And now let's see what happens in Turkish when we add by before reflexive pronouns in English. By myself, kendi başıma. By yourself, kendi başına. By himself, by herself, by itself, kendi başına. By ourselves, kendi başımıza. By yourselves, kendi başınıza. By themselves, kendi başlarına. Now, task is coming. You need to memorize them. I will explain you singular and plural words and demonstrative pronouns in next lesson. See you!